Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a birthday hat, or you could even call it a party hat. Now, to draw this, it's very easy. I'm going to start right about here towards the top, and I'm just going to make a line that goes down at an angle, and then another one over here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that goes down at an angle. And then I want to do another one right here. So I'm going to start here at the top and make a little line that goes down. Next, starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to curve from here to here. It's just going to be kind of like a smiley face. So you just want to make a nice curved line that goes down and then comes right up to there. It's going to look like a little cone. Now, when drawing the next part, there's lots of different ways we can do. We want to put a little bit of like fringe and detail down here. You can do different things. You can make wavy lines, bumpy lines, you can do little rectangles, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go with some bumpy lines. So I want to start right here at this little point, and I'm going to draw all the way to this point. And all you want to do is make some little lines that go down and then up for little bumpy lines all the way across. Now at the top, there's a lot of different things you can add to. You could add like a little bumpy line, you can add wavy lines, whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little curved line that goes out like this, and then another one underneath it. And then I'm just going to connect them. I'm going to do the same thing up here, draw a line that goes up, and another one, and connect them. I'm going to do this a few more times. We'll put one up here, two little lines, draw your little line across. I'll do another one here, and finally I'll put two little lines here with another one. When it comes to adding some detail onto your party hat, there's lots of things you can do. You could add polka dots, you could add stripes, you can do lots of things. I'm going to go with a little stripe pattern right now. To do this, you want to start here and just draw a little curved line that goes down. You can see that this line is a lot higher than this line. Then you just want to repeat this pattern all the way down. And you're just going to kind of curve this down. And when you get to right about here towards the end, it should just kind of run right to there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon party hat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.